Welcome to our day one of learning how to read. Are you ready, children? Let's begin.
Letter A. A says ah. Ah. A is for apple. Big apple. A is for ant. Small ant. A. Can you say it again, children? A. Good job. Letter M. M says mmm. Mmm. M is for mushroom. M is for mango. Mmm. Say it again, children. Mmm. A, a, a. Mmm, mmm, mmm. A, mmm, a, mmm, a, mmm. An. Read it again, children. An. Letter S. S says S. S. S is for sun. S is for sunrise. S. Say it again, children. S. A, a, a. S, s, s. A, s, a, s, a, s. S. Say it again, children. S. Good job. Letter B. B says b, b, b. B is for boat. B is for butterfly. B. Say it again, children. B. A, a, a. B, b, b. A, b, a, b, a, b. Ab. Say it again, children. Ab. Letter T. T says t, t, t. T is for time. T is for tag. T. A, a, a. T, t, t. A, t, a, t, a, t. At. Say it again, children. At. Letter C. C says k, k, k. K is for cart. K is for candy. K. A, a, a. K, k, k. A, k, a, k, a, k. Ack. Say it again, children. Ack. Letter L. L says L. 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 L is for lamp. L is for lollipop. L. A. 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 L. 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 A. L. A. L. A. L. Owl. Owl. Say it again, children. Owl. A. M. A. M. An. A. S. A. S. As. A. T. A. T. At. A. B. A. B. Ab. A. K. A. K. Ack. A. L. A. L. L. An. S. At. Ab. Ack. Owl. Now let's read the three-letter blending. M. A. T. M. A. T. M. A. T. Mat. Mat. Now it's your turn to read, children. Well done. S. A. T. S. A. T. S. A. T. Sat. Sat. Now it's your turn to read, children. Outstanding. K. A. T. K. A. T. K. A. T. Cat. Cat. It's your turn to read, children. Well done. B. A. T. B. A. T. B. A. T. Bat. It's your turn to read, children. Outstanding. Let's read again, children. Mat. Cat. Bat. Sat. Now it's your turn to read, children. Well done! Let's continue our lesson tomorrow. See you there.